Bear Creek Woodworking, and this is episode 29. 29 episodes already. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that, 29 episodes. Anyhow, this is episode 29, and today I'm going to show you how I made this farmhouse style mudroom bench. So, let's get to it. Okay, I'd like to take a moment now to explain to you how I'm going to fasten this bench top to the base of the bench itself. Now, since this is a no metal fastener build, it's a little bit of a challenge, but this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take dowels, and I'm going to actually glue them into place into the holes of the bench seat. These are 3/8 inch dowels and 3/8 inch holes. The holes in the bench top, in the bench seat here, are 5/16, so they're oversized. And that's what I want. I want these dowels here. See, bringing it a little closer. I want these dowels to be sloppy. I want them to be extra, so they fall right through. No problem. That way, the bench seat here can over time can move. The changes in humidity. Now I've got one last thing to do before I actually glue this up. I'm going to take some of this wax. There's all kinds of wax on the market, but I like this Renaissance wax, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to take some, I'm going to put it both on top and the bottom of all these holes. The glue does touch this wood from squeeze out. It won't adhere to it, which will allow the bench seat to still contract and expand as needed without cracking. Okay, I have this dry fitted now. It's not glued up yet, but it's dry fitted. I laid a square in here because I wanted to try this to make sure that it will move. And here I want to show you. So I'm hoping that when I zoom this in, you'll be able to see the square and see it move a little bit. So I can move this way a little bit, and it goes this way a little bit. So it does move. About 1/16 of an inch, and that's what I want. And just make sure. Just put a little bit around so you can see those cracks. Go down a little bit. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this farmhouse style mudroom bench. It's really satisfying for me to make my own woodworking projects, and then every time I use them I feel very satisfied, and it brings back nice memories too when I made it. So I hope that you go out there and make something yourself so that you can feel that satisfaction too. And one reason I really do feel satisfied with this project is that it's been a while since I made a project with no metal fasteners. And this project, I achieved that. So, it just makes you feel good makes me feel good using metal fasteners on a project. And I'm just saw glue and wood, and I just think it's kind of cool, just for something a little bit different, and it kind of fine tunes your woodworking skills. So I hope you get out there and make something yourself. And until next time, have a great day, everybody. Bye. Yep, it's recording.